Okay, we have our head done. It's all painted, so now we want to do the eyes. I'm going to put them in, and we're going to use plaster of Paris. You just add water to this. Make it kind of so it'll fill up around the eyeball is what you want. We have our 2 acrylic eyes we're using. So what you want to do is place them in there where they go. And what you do is hold it above your head so you can center those eyes. It's liable to move on you when you put that plaster in there. So you can adjust it before it sets up. So we're just going to drop this in on top of the eye. And what you do is you hold it above your head again. Make sure they didn't move on you. And you want to just tap it so it sets in all around that eye. So that's pretty good. So now we'll just set this up. Only takes about 20-30 minutes and this will be all nice and hard in there. So we'll set this up, let it dry, and then we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.